So here we are now, we've moved a little bit further around the garden. I've swapped to the CITI600. It's got a large beauty dish on with a grill. Again, I just want to light a little bit more of the area, try and catch all the stems in of this plant. Again, we're going to be shooting ISO 100. I'm going to do a couple of options here, 2/50th of a second again, about f9, and then we're going to swap over to the high speed sync and ram the speed up to cut out all light, all the ambient light, and just bring out the plant even more. So let's see what we can capture. So we're going to swap over now into high speed sync. So I'm going to start bringing her up. We're going to start up about 2,000 of a second. This is going to be a slightly different style of light. This will, deliver it slightly different than it does in the manual version. So I'm working with a very shallow depth of field. We're on f2.8 now. Like I say, I'm up on 1600ths of a second. And again, I can, by changing everything from the shutter speed, aperture, power of the light, everything's giving me a different feel. Again, move your position